Yo, it's me, DemonizedViper, and welcome back to home cooking. And today we're making iced coffee, so that means we're using the blender again. All right, okay, let's get started. A bit of water in this. I'll go let that out. Yeah. Right, so what are we gonna need for this is some vanilla ice cream, maple syrup that we used last time. I'm on the frame. Ooh. A big glass, sort of like this, that's got two uses. A measuring jug, and obviously coffee and milk. So I made, should I bring the camera with me? Yeah. I made a coffee about an hour ago that's been chilling in the fridge. I don't know if you can hear me. Yeah, it's our chilled black coffee in there. We also need milk. Milk as well, and it wouldn't be iced coffee without, of course, the ice, which is where this comes in. So I'm going to fill this glass as much as I can with ice. We are. We got our ice, very good. So we just chuck that in first. Cool. And then we got our coffee. I'm really worried it is going to seep, you know? You pour it and it goes like that. Oh, good, it didn't. It didn't. Right, here's our coffee in there. And we just need 50 milliliters of milk. Yeah. And that goes like so. I'm thinking of what to add next. We need about a shot of maple syrup, which is about, I think, 45 milliliters. I don't know. There's a little, as you can see on that, there's little measurements. It's not going to focus, is it? Come on. No, it's not focusing, but you can see it. So just fill that to 45. Yeah, very nice. So we are, have a shot of syrup. Dog scratching at the door. He can't come in at the moment because he's going to bark when this gets turned on, which is very annoying. And last of all, you know, I forgot, there's one more thing. I guess add that now before the ice cream. Is around, I'll say 2 to maybe 3 teaspoons of sugar. There's 1. 2, and there's 3. There we are. You can hear my dog, I apologize. Oh. It's only been 4 minutes, Jesus. I am doing good, I think. I don't know. Anyway, and last but not least, we add our ice cream. And I'm gonna add 2 scoops. There's 1. Oh, that's a big one. There's 2. I'm actually gonna add 3, why not? Come on. There. 3 scoops. I can't even see the jug anymore. 3 scoops of vanilla ice cream. Now, I am going to, I keep getting out of frame. I am going to probably blend this now for around a minute, I think, so it's all smoothed. The ice has been fully, like, crushed down. Oh. So, is that plugged in now? It is. Let's turn that on. Here we are, transition. Right, now, that has been blending for around a minute and a half, and it's thick. Okay, it's thick. Now, this is where that glass I mentioned earlier came into play. One that has 2 uses, and we are going to basically, oh, it smells lovely. Pour that in. Oh, it is a bit thick, isn't it? Can I blend this some more? Maybe I should blend it more. I don't know. Just get a straw or a spoon. Just stir that up. A bit like a milkshake. I think both the ice and the ice cream have added thickness to it. Got this at home. I don't know. Use it if you want, but I'm using it. Oh, we just add that like so. Clean that off. And get a straw back, shove that in, and voila, there is a pretty good looking, at least, iced coffee. Now it's the taste. Oh wow. That is fucking delicious. That is way better than the strawberry smoothie. Yeah. 9.5. Don't know. I'm gonna. Ooh, should I make it a 10? Maybe I should actually. Yeah, you know what? Fuck it. 10 out of 10. That is. Oh, that's delicious. Anyway, that's how you make a nice coffee. Like and subscribe. If, comment down below what you want me to cook. I'm not looking at the camera. Like and subscribe. What you want me to cook next. No, fuck's sake, I'm messing this up. Like and subscribe. Comment what you want me to cook next. There we are. Boom. I did it. Yeah, this has been DemonizedViper, and peace.